Namaste friends, welcome back to Feathershood. Today's topic is egg candling. So guys, the word itself states that egg candling. What is egg candling? Why should we do egg candling? When should we do egg candling? Should we disturb the bird during egg candling? And for all the questions, there is one answer. Egg candling is done to know the bird egg is fertile or not, and egg candling is done to study the development within the egg, so to see their embryo. So egg candling is done in one particular dark room with the LED light to see and observe the development, and you can see the nerves, and certain times even if you can even feel the heartbeat of the birds within the egg. Okay, one thing what everyone should understand is egg candling should be done once after 5 or a week after the incubation of the egg. When should we do incubation? When should we do egg candling? When mother comes naturally out of the nest box to feed herself. That time is an ideal time where you should do egg candling. So for small thing, I can show you with one small diagram which will be displayed on top. So thus we should know if you can understand the air sac which is inside the egg, you can easily identify whether that bird is whether that egg is fertile or whether that egg will be hatched to a chick. So within 7 days the air sac will be of very less volume, as you can see in the picture, and 14 days that will be increased from 10% to 20%, and in on the 18th day of incubation, around one third of the egg will be covered with an air sac, and remaining will be an complete egg formation. So the darker will be an egg, later on change which will be happening after the chick development. So when you're doing egg candling for the first time, you won't be knowing anything, but you should make a frequent practice so that as soon as you keep the torch, you can see yellow after 7 days of incubation, which means that egg is infertile and it will not be converted as a chick. Anything which is red and where the veins you can see through a naked eye, which means yes, egg is getting developed, and after certain days you can get to see some chicks. So that is I can once again take you through. If I say theoretically you can't understand, guys, I can show you the videos of egg candling which I have done personally, and I'll be sharing sharing all the videos through these videos when I am speaking about egg candling. You can also see a black spot during the development. The one small difference between reptiles' eggs and birds' egg is reptiles' egg, the yolk will be sticked in one particular place where over the period of time the embryo develops, and the chick also chick or small baby reptiles will be developed. But when it comes to birds' egg, the yolk will be in center. It won't be sticked in particular position, so that it requires change in bird's egg rotation should be there in order to get chick developed inside the egg. So I'll be showing all those videos. Hopefully by this time you would have started observing it. So if I have lots of video collections, so that even if it is not in the initial stage, I'll be sharing all those videos even after I share certain things. So guys, this is about the small topic of egg candling. Hope you are benefiting from this, and one should actually know when should do egg handling. Do not disturb the bird at any given point of the time. Make sure that you do it naturally when the bird is actually came outside to drink and feed herself. So do not forcefully leave your hand and take the egg out, and which actually lose lost of trust, and this is once again not that in favor of birds. So having said that, this is about the small topic. This is Chetan signing off from Feathershood. Thank you once again.